Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. This is actually a continuation of the day 28 video. For some reason my recording software decided that it was going to stop rather than pause the recording. I think I had it paused too long or something, I don't know. But it is almost horde time. I am hopefully set up. I have our turret up here facing away in case we do get any demolishers. So hopefully it will help with the vultures up there. I have water on my hotbar because, let's face it, there's Molotovs on my hotbar. Chances are I'll be on fire. I have the coffee and the learning elixir and a bunch of ammo. I have plenty more in the box if I need more. You can always come and grab it. I did do a little bit of upgrading, which is thankfully dried. I didn't think about it until I had already upgraded this part to reinforced concrete so that it was actually sitting there wet and I wasn't sure it was going to dry in time. I do have some steel with me to repair with. I managed to get a little bit out of the forge, but it is still burning down all of the iron that I went and harvested, so unfortunately I don't have enough to do all of this. While I was at the base, I went ahead and made a battery bank and a generator bank. I had a ton of batteries, but some of them were already partial durability, so if you connect a generator bank to a battery bank with the batteries in it, it will actually recharge the batteries. And eventually I will make a battery bank and some turrets, some proper turrets. Not that Junkie's not a proper turret, but sorry buddy. Ones that I don't have to pick up and reload, and that is why I actually have this one on my hotbar, so I can just go up, hopefully in between vultures. When I see that he's out of ammo, I can just pick him up and place this one back down immediately and then come back down. So hopefully we are ready for horde night. I've got coffee and antibiotics and painkillers. Hopefully I have everything that we need, and it should be kicking off here in just a second. Hopefully we survive this. I haven't faced a demolisher yet, so let's see what's coming. Well, we got a cop straight off the bat. Or a vulture puking. Looks like it's a cop, but I can't see him down there, so. Already got vultures up there. If I don't talk much, I do apologize. I am not good at talking and fighting big hordes of zombies. So no radiated yet. I don't know if it was the vultures that were spitting, but I haven't seen a cop up here yet. I'm trying to use all the guns, so I don't just rely on one. That is a lot. Let's give them a little Molotov with a little spray and pray. I completely forgot to use the learning elixir. Let's reload and not get hit and set on fire. Alright, there's a cop out there somewhere, or a vulture, because it's spitting all over the place. Get everything reloaded. That is a lot of zombies. Edgar, when I shoot you, you're supposed to fall down. Solid loot bag. Woo! There are a lot of zombies. He's still okay. Alright, let's check. I don't know who that is laying down there, but smacking me through the wall is not nice. No glitching through either. Ooh. They just keep coming. No, go away. So far no cops are radiated. Lots of military zombies though. I think I've got a little spider zombie down there. Yep, all y'all come over here and get lit on fire, please. Gotta love when you set them on fire and can just spray and pray. Alright, let's check these. Getting hit a bit, but not too bad. Get everybody reloaded. Let them come back around. I'm almost hesitant to say it, but so far no radiated. I do have a rad remover, I think, on the shotgun and the AK. I'm not sure he knows what he's doing. Whew. Hold your head still. Form an orderly line. You guys are not social distancing at all. I think I just missed about 8 shots in a row. Alright. How did that go so far back? And that didn't go as far back as I wanted it to. Quit spitting at me. I don't think I can hit that vulture from here. At least not with a shotgun. I'm gonna have to repair these guns in a minute. We can get a little break in the waves. Ooh, they're putting a beating on those. I know there's a vulture up there. I think Terry's out of ammo. Come here, buddies. That is a lot of vultures. Alright, get out of my way. I need to get up there and put him back down, but I got a little bit of a mess up here. And there is irradiated, and this is damaged. Come on, repair it up. Buddy, I need to be able to see you. He's radiated and I can't reach him. Reload. I don't know how I'm gonna get that spider zombie done. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Well, I guess that answers the how am I gonna get the spider zombie. Oh, stick your head back through there, buddy. Come on. Oh, and I have to repair that. Come here. I need to get up there and replace my turret, but push him a little further forward. Come on. I'm probably doing more damage to my block than he is. Get your head out the way. That is so many zombies. No bad spider zombie. Can y'all not shove her through the window, please? Go away, you little pea brain. I love what Joe Woodle calls them, but it's not something I normally say. So I'll just call them pea brains. Oh, there are so many of y'all out there. Thanks, we'll get that out of the way. Can I reach that to... I need to repair that, but I don't want to set myself on fire. Did it anyway. Ooh, that one was almost gone. If y'all could stop hitting all that, that would be great. Go away. Oh, I hate the spider zombies. I have got to figure out a way to take care of them. I think I might have to make some turrets and put them on the side and just have them shooting sideways. Down at like foot level for these guys. And maybe that'll shoot the spider zombies, but it's not high enough to shoot the buttons on the on the demolishers. Ooh. It's only 1 o'clock in the morning. Edgar, there's a lot of you out here. No. Bad zombie. No. Bad time to have to reload. Could you die? Alright. Really? Urgh. While we're back here, let's do this and let's just pop a first aid kit. Get everybody reloaded. And do a little spray and pray. See if we can clear a few of these guys out so I can repair that block again. And ooh, I see you flapping up there, you pea brains. I almost said it. Good Lord, there are a lot of them. Go away, spider zombies. No, bad zombie. Oh, he's dead. He's not. Big Mama? What you doing? Must have some I shot the legs off of. I know you're up there. Come here, you little pea brain. Bad time to click. What I want to do is get this back down. I think it's the end of the freaking horde, but whew. Make sure we get all this repaired up. At least the ones I can target. Well, I think that might be the end of the horde. And I think we've got some loot bags down there. Whew. That was intense. And I'm probably just going to leave Terry up there. Do I have iron? Not what I'm looking for. I have a little bit. Well, apparently not enough. But repair some of these blocks from where I didn't have a cop or a I keep calling them radiated, a demolisher, which I'm not complaining about. Just doing a little bit of repairs while I wait to see if anything else comes, and that is all the steel. So that's that done. Quit beeping at me. Alright. While I'm here, some of this I will have to do from outside, but I want to go ahead and upgrade this. I'm going to need a ton more steel for the next horde. Assuming our world holds together that long. There has been another update. I actually had to make my computer roll back because it updated to, I don't have any more steel, I need steel. It updated to 19.2 and I was getting a few little glitches. We'll leave the shotgun, and I might take that pistol with me so I can roll with the AK and the pistol. And I've got a SWAT helmet. He needs a repair. And then we'll put some of this repair stuff. I'll leave a stack over here, take the rest with me. He goes with us, that stays with us. I might keep the pistol with me for a bit. So I will have to sort of figure out what I want to do with my hotbar because I have it set up just the way I had it. Let's get those off of there before I light myself on fire again. Let's leave those there. The repair materials can go back in there. The coffee, I forgot to use the learning elixir because it was so intense. I wasn't expecting it to be quite as intense as it was. So those can go in there. We'll take 1,000 ammo with us. My knife goes there, and those go there. That should be alright, except I have my crossbow too. Drat. My crossbow is back at the base. So let's switch to these and pop down and start looting what is down there. I'll leave the empty jars there for now. I'll go ahead and eat a stew. I don't have any steel, so I will have to come back to do repairs, which I'm sure are going to be needed. Well, wow, that's a lot of loot bags. Alright, book we've already read. Spear, ammo, and a double-barreled shotgun. Don't know why I almost forgot the name of that. Wow, somebody had a lot of money. Water, money, beer, stun baton. Hopefully we get a better helmet than what I've got, because I'd like to be able to put the water filtration, water purifier mod on it, but I don't have an empty slot, so I will have a look at all of this once we pick it all up. Well, all that we can. Let's eat that. We'll scrap that steel helmet. I don't need the sweatshirt. We'll scrap the iron arrows. And a few more over here. Alright, let's see. I know I've already read those, but I'm just gonna read them and take the stuff. What is that from? I don't know what that's from. Ah, better junk turret. A little bit of steel. What else we got? Iron shovel and a machete. And I am out of room. Let's just eat some of the food. And see what else we got. A fire axe, which I don't have room for. Don't need those. Let's have a look up here and see how bad it looks. Well, it's not too bad. It's still at steel level. So that's not too bad. Quite a bit of loot. Both of our torches got blown up. That one didn't. But all in all, I think it went pretty well. I did light myself on fire a few times. But I'm gonna have to get my motorcycle out of here and put it down. Let's put those in there for now. No, I said to put that in there. I do have a bunch of stuff to repair, but let's just drop you right there and start dropping some stuff in. And I'll have to sort a whole bunch of stuff out. I've got a ton of stuff to take to the trader, and that's something we will do tomorrow. And most of the stuff from here is actually the inventory of the motorcycle anyway. I'm gonna have to get a whole lot more steel, get everything upgraded and repaired, get all of this that's not reinforced concrete upgraded. But all in all, I'd say that was a pretty good horde night. We survived, and the base didn't break. So all in all, I'd say it went pretty well. Why am I heading towards the trader? Because I said I wanted to go to the trader. But I think I'm going to leave this here while I get everything sorted out and repaired up and stick mods in anything that I can. I will... this video, like I said, because my software went a little bananas, I'm gonna have to do a two-part video. I have not sorted out what editing software I want to use, and I'm gonna have to do that before I can, put the two together. So this will actually be uploaded in two parts. I don't know why my software did what it did, but there you go. So I'm going to leave this here. I hope y'all enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. And I hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.